start reading the book that Grandma just gave you.
What does the pig say? Oink, oink. The little pigs say, wee, wee, wee. The cow says, woo. The goose says, honk, honk. Cock-a-doodle-doo, says the rooster. Cluck, cluck, says the chicken. The little chicks say, cheep, cheep, cheep. What do the ducks say?
Keep going.
Quack, 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 quack. What does the horse say? Neigh. The flies say buzz, buzz, buzz. What do frogs say? Croak, 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 croak. Buzz, says the bees. What does the crow say? Caw, caw. The little birds say, tweet, tweet, tweet. The turkey says, boggle, boggle, goggle, goggle, gobble, gobble, gobble. The donkey says, hee-haw, hee-haw. What do the owl say? Woo-hoo, woo-hoo, woo-hoo.
Hey, Jake,
Dad.
have you ever read that book before?
No.
No. You just ripped through that book like you've been reading it your whole life.
It's fine. It's
You rock.
easy.
I'm proud of you, buddy.
It's so easy.